guys, всем привет, welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the amazing Latvian traditional kind of snack foods. They also call them like beer food. These are black bread suhariki. Suhariki are basically like, I don't even know how to, it's like baked, roasted black bread with garlic and oil, and it's so good. There is a warning that you might smell a bit like garlic, but hey, they're so good, so crunchy. They go really, really well with beer, and they would be selling them everywhere in Latvia, on every kind of outside. When you go and have a beer, you would get them as a snack. You can also order them. So I love them. I wanted to make this recipe because it's very traditional. It's something that I grew up on, and I just love them. But I think summer is the best time to have them because it just goes so well. They're salty, they're garlicky, they're crunchy, and it's exactly what you want with a cold pint of beer when the sun is out. So I hope you make this recipe. Let's do this. So this recipe is really easy. We only need bread and garlic, and this dish is so delicious. So take your rye bread. You can find it in organic local stores, or you can find it in Russian or East European stores where they sell dark rye bread. If you use proper rye bread that we sell, you know, in Latvia, they taste even better, but this bread will do as well. You want to chop off the crust around the bread and leave it just like that, as the crust tend to get really too much for your teeth if they're fried. And then you really just want to cut them into these stripes. We call them in Russian salominka, and that's what I mean. These kind of like fries, you know, potato fries, but except these will be delicious bread fries. So you want to be very gentle and just go around and chop up your bread. Depending on how much you make, you can only fit a certain amount on your pan, so make sure you either have several pans to cook this, or you're gonna have to do this in stages. Once they're done, just separate them and leave them aside. Then add your bread sticks into your pan, and you want to make sure that your pan is nice and hot. We're gonna dry them out for the first 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm adding some salt. And then I'm adding some minced garlic in there. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself, each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. You then just want to cook them, keep mixing them through, and if you need to add oil, you're going to add oil in there, and just fry them until they're golden brown, just like that. If you like garlic, you might want to add more garlic, just like me, and just keep frying them on low to medium heat and constantly mixing them through. Once they're done, you will see they will smell amazing, and they'll be super crunchy outside and kind of very gooey and soft inside. So you want to serve them with beer. They go really well as snacks, and honestly, beer and these garlic rye bread sticks is the best thing that you're gonna try in Latvia, so why not make them yourself? A lot of people love them. If you leave them for longer, they will become even crunchier, but I actually like when they're chewy and crunchy at the same time. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you make this.